What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl RCA 20 hand pressure washer. Now, I was really glad I got this thing used last weekend, but I hope at some point this thing will get used at some point this year, once again. Because like I said, this machine's not exactly going to get used no matter what, because you see how much I spent it, exactly, which is definitely looks out pretty nice, in my opinion. So it will get used again at some point this year, but definitely how much I expect it, it seems like he's going to get used almost like quite a bit, because no matter what, it seems like he's going to get used almost like quite a bit, because you see how much I spent it on this machine, like it, which is definitely looks out pretty nice, in my opinion. So it will get used again at some point this year, because I know since the fact that how much I spent it, this seems like it, which is definitely looks out pretty nice, in my opinion. But how much you really spent it, this machine, as I can see, with that equal button that you can see, it slows down the motor a little bit, and then when I push it again, it speeds it up again, which I think this is why exactly you can see, because you see how much sped it is, because it says it's got enough pressure PSI, in my opinion, because you know I know how sped it is, things like it just like it looks like pretty nice making hand. So I hope at some point this thing will get used again some point this year, because I know since the better how much sped it this machine exactly, which because you know I expect this, I mean, it's in the walk position, when you push this, it does like easy, because you know how much expect this is exactly, which is, it definitely looks pretty nice, in my opinion. It is dried out, you can see, because the last time I did it, it got full water, you can see, because you see how much expect this thing is, you can see. And she is dirty a little bit, because you see how much expect this machine's like, so it will get used again this week, this year, again, because you know I expect this seems like he's going to get used almost like quite a bit, because I do like this washer on here, so I hope at some point this thing will get used again, and this weekend, or next weekend, or somehow I hope someone this thing will get used again this year, because I know since I've had this exactly, that it's a very looking machine.